Okay, we're going to have a look now at the perimeter query, and this is a really simple query, and I've opened up the technicians database. It's the exact same one that you can download off Moodle, and I've created a query already just to save a little bit of time. If I go into design view, you can see it's got 3 tables. Notice that I've widened all the tables out so that all the fields can be seen. We don't want to put ourselves at a disadvantage when the examiner gets hold of it. If they can't see everything, you do lose marks. I've actually added a couple of columns, a couple of fields down the way. We've got customer, reported by, date reported, and technician surname. If we just run that query at the moment, it just brings us a list of all the different jobs that have actually been submitted to them or reported to them. What I want to try and do is I want to get it so that it narrows it down, and I'm going to do it by technician surname, and I just want to see all the ones that have been all the various different ones that are being dealt with by Platt. So I'll go into the design view, go to technician surname. There's 2 ways we can do this. The very simple way is in the criteria. We can actually just put Platt. That isn't a perimeter query, that is just a query, a criteria query. If you run that, it runs it and allows us to see all those run by Platt. Unfortunately, that means that if we wanted it to be by anybody else, we'd have to go into design view, we'd have to change it every single time. What we're going to do here instead is we're going to get it to ask a question when it loads up. We're going to have that perimeter, and we're going to put a square bracket, and we're going to put into there, please enter the surname, let's try and get it spelled right, of the technician, question mark, because I'm a nice person, close the square bracket. Before I carry on, you can see that little bit, it goes over the column. We need to widen it. Really important, we have to widen it. Again, it's so that the examiners can see what we're doing. We'll save that query and then we'll run it. We run it and it says, please enter the surname of the technician. We'll put in Platt, and there we go. We then get a table, a query that is just showing us all the ones with the technician's surname. If we go back into view, run it again, let's change that and say Simpson. And we get all the technicians with the name Simpson. It's a much more useful query, and you don't have to go into design view to change it over. But it's really important on this one that we make sure that everything can be seen.